Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:21 p.m. near Playlenda Beach, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Playlenda Beach, Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, Bellwood, Titusville Airport, and Titusville.